Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am coming to you with my 5 top products that I wish I would have known about when I was starting my locks. Or this can also help anyone who just hasn't had a good regimen. These products will help you to get that regimen or just to introduce you into what a regimen could look like. So if you're interested in seeing my top 5 products, then definitely keep on watching. We're going to jump right into it, but first let me welcome anyone who is new to my channel. I am Elizabeth and we cover all things beauty related, and we really love affordable options. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and subscribe. But to talk about my top 5 products, these products has really helped me. They have come along, you know, the journey with me. I didn't know about all of them to start with. That's why I wanted to go ahead and help anyone to just get a good start and not have to go out and buy so many different things just to find a product that works for them. I stand by these products. They are linked in my description box, so if you are interested in trying them, they're right down there and you'll be able to purchase them whenever you're ready. Alright, so we're going to talk about the first one. Number 1 is water. I choose to use rose water. You can use distilled water, regular water, whatever works for you, but I feel like rose water for me has helped my dry hair. If you are not familiar with my hair and my locks, when I was a loose natural, my hair was really dry, and even now with locks my hair is still dry, so I'm constantly trying to figure out what things to use to help moisturize my hair, and rose water has definitely done that. There was a time where I didn't use the rose water and a couple of other things in my regimen, and it really made me realize that those things helped with how my hair acts, and rose water definitely was one of those things that I had to bring right back. You can get rose water from Amazon. That's my first place I choose to go to because they sell it in 3 or more packages, and because you're going to be spraying your hair with it to hydrate it throughout the day or in the morning, and I have a videos link where I tell you how I use my rose water. But if you're going to be using this, you're going to go through it often, so it's better to just buy it in a package of 3 or more, in my opinion. Like I said, that's going to be down in the description bar. I just want to briefly tell you what the benefits of rose water is, and I have my notes down here, so if I'm looking down, that's why. Alright, so obviously it replenishes lost moisture, so it's going to help you get that moisture back in your hair if you do have dry hair like me. It makes your hair more manageable. I agree with that, because when your hair is dry, it kind of doesn't want to do anything as far as styling or the way it lays. So definitely keeping your hair moisturized let me slow down. Definitely moisturizing your hair keeps your hair more manageable. It makes it shinier, healthier. Rose water also reduces dandruff, so if you struggle with that, rose water is probably something that you want to look into. And then it increases scalp circulation to promote growth. Now, I definitely believe that this has helped my hair grow, because a lot of you have noticed that my hair has grown really quickly, or you feel like my hair has grown really quickly, and I don't do anything specifically to grow my hair. It's just these products all together that promotes hair growth, I feel like has shown itself in my locks. So definitely love rose water. Stand by that. Holy grail. Alright, product number 2 would be aloe vera gel. Now, I'm not going in a specific order, like these are not higher than other products. These are all equally my favorites. But aloe vera gel, when I first got introduced to aloe vera gel, it was after me buying so many other twist and lock or twist agents for my hair. I'm not gonna say I wish I didn't experiment with those, but it would have saved me some money and a little bit of time if I wouldn't have bought all those things, because obviously I didn't use them more than once, because I would notice that my hair would have buildup left over or whatever. Started doing my research and realized that aloe vera gel is one of the things that I prefer to use because it easily rinses out. It's basically all natural, and it just makes your hair feel good and moisturized at the same time while having some type of hold. So the benefits of aloe vera gel, and I'm pretty sure you guys probably heard of aloe vera for your face and everything else, it helps with moisture as well. As I mentioned before, my hair is really dry, so I'm always looking for something that helps moisturize. It's easy to rinse out. Like I said before, you don't want anything in your locks that's going to be difficult to wash out, and aloe vera gel rinses out like no problem. Like, it's really easy to get out of your hair. It's natural. I use the one from CVS because that's accessible to me. I know Amazon has one like Desert Lily or Lily by Desert, something like that. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that I do want to try, but I just find that CVS is somewhere that I can go and it's easy and I can just pick it up. It's 99.7 if I'm not mistaken, natural, so I feel like that's pretty natural, you know. It has enzymes that repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Now, how does that help you? Dead skin cells on the scalp could stop your hair from growing. It promotes growth, prevents itchy scalp as well. So if you, like I said before, if you struggle with dandruff and itchy scalp, aloe vera gel will also help. It reduces dandruff and conditions the hair. So I really love my aloe vera gel. All right, so let's move on. I'm doing this. We on the roll. Okay, so number 3 is shampoo. Now, shampoo, I feel like I was lucky with finding shampoo because I went to Trader Joe's and I seen like this $2.99 tea tree shampoo. I've always liked tea tree. I love the way it smells. I just love its benefits, and so when I seen this shampoo at Trader Joe's, I immediately grabbed it. So I didn't even have to experiment as far as shampoo went because I seen tea tree and I seen clarifying, and I knew that I needed a clarifying shampoo on my hair because I wanted to be able to rinse out anything that could have possibly gave me buildup. I also use a aloe vera moisturizing shampoo as well. So this was something that really did help me, and it did help me to keep my hair clean and also put back some of that moisture that was taken away from the clarifying shampoo. And you already know what aloe vera does because I just read, you know, the benefits of it in your hair. As far as tea tree goes, you guys, tea tree is my love. It helps unclog follicles and nourish your roots. So unclog follicles helps to promote growth, so love that. It helps treat dandruff. So once again, if you struggle with dandruff, this would be something that you would probably want to look into. It stimulates hair growth. It increases oxygen and nutrient supply to the hair follicles. So have you ever felt when you put tea tree on your scalp, or let's say your face, it kind of feels like it's breathing, almost like a kind of a tingling sensation? That is the tea tree increasing the oxygen, and all that promotes hair growth. I know a lot of people say that tea tree gives them like a reaction because it's too strong. I haven't experienced that because I do make sure I mix my tea tree with other products. Like you need maybe a carrier oil or maybe mixing it with water. I don't know, you just have to mix it if you have a sensitive scalp or sensitive skin or wherever you're using tea tree. But it has been helping me, and I do think that it helps me with promoting growth as well. Okay, product, let's see, number 4, you need a oil. Oil is so necessary in your journey, I feel like, because how else are you sealing in the moisture in your hair? I choose to moisturize my hair with, like I said, rose water. Talking about water is making me thirsty. With rose water. Also, when I get in the shower, I'm moisturizing my hair, and the way that I seal that in is with an oil. I choose to use the Eden Body Works natural hair oil, peppermint and tea tree. I like this because it's light. Well, it's right here. It says it's light and refreshing, which I believe. It has no parabens and no mineral oil, and all the oils in here are so great. Like they have lavender oil in here, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil. So it's not just tea tree and peppermint in here. That's why I love it, because not only am I getting the benefits of the tea tree and the peppermint, but I'm also getting the benefits of those other oils as well. So how I use that is basically sealing. Like I said, if I get out the shower from washing my hair, like now, I didn't retwist because I'm trying not to retwist for a while. My scalp is kind of sore. I feel like that's because it is growing, so I don't want to manipulate it and make my head any more sore. So I'm being easy on retwisting, but when I got out the shower, I just went ahead and oiled my scalp with it, and also put it on the palms of my hands and just kind of ran it down the shaft of my locks, and already it just feels so good. So yes, you need an oil. I prefer the Eden Body Works. You can get that at Sally's. That's where I get that from. Also, Amazon has that. Like I said, I will have my Amazon links down below if you want to try any of this. All right, product number 5. So this one was hard because it was between my microfiber towel and another item, and I was like, which one do I want to put in this video? Which one would help someone who is starting their locks? I decided to put in the microfiber towel. Why? Because it helps to not dry your hair out too much. Like I said, and I won't say enough in this video, I have dry hair, so I'm always trying to keep the moisture inside without like damaging my hair. And usually towels do a lot of damage. They kind of make your hair frizzy, and we don't realize that. And I think that this towel has really helped me on my journey, because it helps to work with all my other products and help my hair to not be as frizzy as it would be if my hair were to be more dry like it can get. So my microfiber towel, this one is my Diva Curl one that I got at Cosmoprof, but I'm sure you can find one cheaper somewhere else, maybe Walmart, I don't know, Target. I don't know specifically if they have them there, but mine is from Diva Curl. You can probably get this one from their website as well, or on Amazon. I love Amazon, y'all, so definitely try out the towel. Or there's another alternative, like using a t-shirt. So if you could go get like a cheap t-shirt and make it your designated lock towel, then that will work as well. But I prefer my microfiber towel. You guys, I'm so thirsty. My face is breaking out because I had like a crazy weekend and I didn't hydrate, so my skin is acting crazy. But anyway, that is my top 5 products. Let me know if this helped you. Let me know if you have a top 5 products that you like down below, because I'm always open to trying new things. Also, I have my playlist, my Lock Journey playlist here if you have not been caught up. And I have another video right there, and you can subscribe right here. As usual, I'm not forcing you to buy anything, you guys. I'm helping you to make decisions, save time, save money, trying things that you already are interested in, and to give you a little knowledge that I picked up here and there, trial and error. But anyway, God bless you all. Have a great day, night, or whatever it is where you are. Bye, guys.